What is the best diet for your fitness goals? It literally is my number one asked questions. Coach Rakita, what the do I eat? Well, I got you, boo. Gotta keep on watching. Stay tuned. I'm just kidding. Stay tuned. Hey tribe, welcome back. I am Rakita, fitness and nutrition coach, and I am here with yet another frequently asked question. And if you've clicked on the video, then you obviously already know the topic. What is the best diet for your fitness goals? Most people overcomplicate clean eating. And I'm not calling you most people, but I will say I'm most people. When I started my fitness journey, I was spending a fortune on weight loss shakes, ready-made meals, and slimming bars that was pretty much useless. There was other times where I was spending tons of time cooking fancy meals or starting these stupid fad diets that I just gave up on weeks later. Now, people that do this, there's nothing wrong, because when you're learning what to eat based on your weight loss goals, it's a lot of trial and error. But the worst case scenario and the last thing you want to do is avoid struggling with eating disorders, a sluggish metabolism, or even worse, a hormonal imbalance. So when you're determining the best diet for your fitness goals, there's so many factors that you definitely have to consider. Whether it's medical history, your metabolism, your preferred eating, your activity level, medications, how many meals you want to eat per day, your fitness goals. There's really no one size fits all. And if there's nutrition programs out there that are promising one size fit all, then it's a huge red flag, because ultimately what the best diet boils down to what your fitness goals are, and it's different for everyone. When new clients are coming to me, the first thing I have them focus on is foundation, right? The foundation of a proper nutrition program is ensuring that you're eating enough vegetables and leafy greens, getting an adequate protein intake, getting enough water and hydrating, making sure that you're eating slowly and mindfully, and making sure that you're eating to your needs and specific fitness goals. So, what's the best diet if your goal is to lose weight or burn fat? Well, it's gonna be a diet where you're in a sustainable caloric deficit, but a sustainable calorie deficit, which basically means that you're eating less than what you're burning and tapping into that stored body fat. Now, there's definitely different mechanics that you would get into as far as exactly what to eat, portion sizes, your proteins, your carbs, your fats, and your veggies. But just from a very, very high level, if you want to lose weight, you have to make sure that you're eating less than what you are burning. So if your goal is to build muscle, strong, lean muscle, which is literally my current goal, then you want to make sure you're eating in a caloric surplus, a calorie surplus. But the bare minimum, you want to make sure you're at least getting enough calories to maintain your body weight. Why? Like, people say that they want to tone up, but come on guys, what does tone up really mean? It really means burning fat and building muscle. So ultimately, the best diet for your fitness goals boils down to what your fitness goals are. If you want to lose weight, make sure it's a calorie deficit. If you want to build muscle, make sure you're in a calorie surplus. If you want to maintain, then make sure you're eating enough calories to maintain your body fat. People make weight loss much harder than what it is, and it doesn't have to be rocket science, people. It's numbers in. It's like calories in, calories out, macros, numbers. It's not that confusing. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I thank you guys for watching. I'll be jumping into some more frequently asked questions. So make sure you're staying tuned and keeping a watch on those new videos dropping. Bye.
Okay, that's a cut. Good job.